The Neal colour brand wouldn't be complete without a true semi-permanent colour, and for us that's REBOOST. Neal & Wolf REBOOST is our true semi-permanent colour. Designed for versatility, quick and easy to use. It transforms surfaces, while its unique conditioning ingredients leave hair feeling renewed, soft and full of life. REBOOST is a small yet powerful range. It is PPD and PTD free, ammonia-free and lasts up to 10 shampoos. Each shade is enriched with conditioning agents, Aloe Vera, Alba Seed Oil, Argan Oil to leave the hair soft and glossy. The range is fully intermixable, vegan-friendly, and can be applied to wet or dry hair with a processing time of 5 to 20 minutes. REBOOST is one of the most versatile tools to have in your toolkit, perfect for first-time colour clients, blending up to 10 to 15% white hair, quick colour services, toning, pre-pigmentation, post-pigmentation, creative colour work, colour refreshing, and mixing tones for glaze. REBOOST can be added into the Neal & Wolf colour. This will help intensify your tones, helping to lock in colour and extend longevity, so your clients can enjoy beautiful results for even longer. REBOOST is more than just a semi-permanent colour. It's quick and versatile, kind to hair, giving stylists endless creative options without compromise.